Let's see how we can take leverage of Google Bard and
Thank you for
ChatGPT to
watching.
create
See
a
you
resume.
in the next video.
Now I'm going to ask Google Bard to create a resume for me first, and then I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do the same for me. Create. Okay, just let me feed Google Bard with a brief intro of myself. I'm a software engineer with 10 plus years of experience. I have worked on a variety of development languages, including Java and Python. I am an expert at developing softwares. So, this is a brief intro of myself, and let me ask it to create a resume for me. Create a comprehensive resume for me. Let's see how it works. So as you can see that it has created a resume for me with summary, with skill set, with experience, with education, with awards and recognition part, with projects, and with references. I can easily edit this resume and use the template to add my own text as well. The majority of the part has already been filled by Google. There are some of the fields that I need to fill. Uh, for example, the experience field and the resume would be good to go. Let's ask ChatGPT to do the same and see how good ChatGPT is at creating resumes. Okay, so if you look closely, ChatGPT has also created a comprehensive resume. It has also given you a format for entering your relevant qualifications. It has displayed the list of skill set based on the description that you have given. It has also added some sample professional experience which you can replace with your current experience. So I would say that Google Bard and ChatGPT are equally good at generating resumes. So yep, we have a tie in the case of generating resumes. Now let's ask Google Bard to create cover letter for us because obviously the resume is incomplete without the cover letter. Write me a cover letter as well. Let's ask ChatGPT to do the same simultaneously and see which one displays a better cover letter. Okay, it has displayed a very comprehensive cover letter. I'm writing to express my interest in the software engineer position. I have been working as a software engineer for the past 10 years and I have strong track record of success in developing and maintaining high quality software, so on and so forth. Let's look into the text ChatGPT has generated. We can see that ChatGPT has also generated quite comprehensive text. It has also created a good cover letter. I'm writing to express my strongest interest in the position of this. With over 10 years of experience in software development and proven track record of delivering high quality solutions, I'm confident in my ability to contribute effectively to your team. Now, both the bots have written good cover letters, but I would say that ChatGPT is much better at generating cover letters. Its cover letter is in more detail, it is more comprehensive, and it is of premium quality. The the cover letter generated by Googlebot is also not bad. It can be used, but I personally feel that the cover generated by ChatGPT is way better. So this concludes our training. Thank you very much for participating in the training, and I hope you guys buy more courses of wacourses.com. Thank you very much for your time, and see you guys in the next courses.